Alright, back for another day of backtesting. We'll just go ahead and get right into it. Posted a market recap this morning of price action for the day, so go check that out if you're watching this. But yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm going to just start a new session and just pick some random, I don't even, like, February, what do I want to do? January, February, March, April. What are we in right now? March 24th. 2 weeks of data. Oh. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next New York session. Oh, this is already where I left off. Have I traded this? I'm gonna just get out of it. I'm gonna go back. I don't know if I've already traded this recently. Let's get rid of this. Let's just continue to go back into this session then. Daily still trending lower. Oops. Like to see price pull into this range before we rebalance to the upside. Kind of chopping. We are SMT'd at this low. Kind of just trending up. Like see some of these highs get hit. Delivering out of a 15 right now. Five-minute inversion. Looks like we're gonna come for these highs. Alright, swept out this low. Delivering from this hourly fair value gap. We left this high up above up here. Delivering out of this 15. Do have a lot of trend line liquidity below. 2-minute inversion. You are inside of a 5-minute unfilled though. Rejecting out of the 5-minute. 2-minute close. I like this. Right, delivering out of this 15-minute. Swept out this liquidity above. Still are inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. I mean, at least we'll go down and hit out this data low. I feel like. Getting caught up here. What could price want to come back and retrace up into? Not much. I think that we should just continue to displace lower. At this point, I'll go break even. Okay. No way. That's tough. I didn't even have a break-even point, so it's like in the real market, I probably would have just held. I mean, data high, data low is just such a strong pull on liquidity. There's no reason for me to go break even at that point. Still haven't taken out data lows. Rejecting off a 3-minute. Gosh, we just are not flushing. Still just chopping. Do you have an unfilled 15-minute above? Yeah, break even would have been in play. Break even would have been in play. Gotta go break even at a certain point. I'm cheating this. I'm giving myself a mulligan. I don't even care. I would have been break even at a certain point. I'm just condescending myself here, but I would have probably understood that this could have been treated as a 15-minute rejection wick, right? We tapped to 0.5 areas, would have been a good break even point. What? Am I tripping? I guess that was the 10 a.m. low I was targeting. Data low, relative equal lows. Actually, it is equal lows. I would like to see price pull up to this area. Still delivering out of this 4-hour fair value gap. Looks like we are pushing up though. Trading inside of a 15-minute right now. Like to see this 5-minute, this rebalance. Swept out this high. This is tough because it's like I feel like we're gonna displace, but I'm just not getting really any entry. Yeah, I will take this. Targeting data lows. Just go break even at this internal low. Break even. See if we get a re-entry. Two-minute looks real good. Go break even. How many contracts am I in? 1.46. I get break even here. I really do want to see price flush through this. Boom, I like this a lot. Trim my stop. Should continue to just flush through here. Minor rebalance. There we go. Full TP. That was solid. Oops. Yeah, I really like this. Obviously we weren't delivering from any higher time frame area, but we did sweep out liquidity on the 1 hour, right? And we're still delivering from this giant 4-hour imbalance. I saw the equal lows. I also saw data lows as well. This first inversion fair value gap did fail. It was break even though, which is fine. And then we got the re-entry right here off the 2-minute V-shaped inversion. Just a little bit of drawdown, and then we flush through there. Daily candle still moving higher. We inverse this. 4-hour candles displacing lower. I'd like to take longs, but might come down and take out this low. We are delivering from the 15-minute, delivering from the 5-minute. Alright, check out that low. See if we continue to deliver from this hourly, or deliver from this hourly higher, or push lower. Still not much that I like. I like this. At this point, I'm just gonna go break even already. Break even. Saved us from a loss. I wanted to target this unfilled 15-minute. Alright, 11 a.m. Break even. Then week opening gap. May want to come fill this new week opening gap. That displacement is crazy. Kind of just chopping around. It's 11 a.m. Nothing really that I saw. I mean, you could have taken this, but looks like we want to trend towards this new week opening gap. Oh, it's the new day opening gap. I'm an idiot. So I like shorts down to this area. Delivering out of this 5-minute. I don't mind this. Sweep of this. Tap into this hourly gap. I missed this. This would have been good. Up to these highs. We're inside this new week opening gap now. Probably want to come fill it. Or this new day opening gap. Probably want to come fill. Do have some 15, some 5 minutes unfilled above. Delivering in from an hourly. Beautiful 30-second. Did he sweep out these lows? Tough. What did we reject off of here? I mean, this 15-minute wick. Nothing. Now we got the new week opening. Yeah. Delivering from a 5-minute right now. I like this inversion with all these relative equal highs above. Nice. Five-minute V-shaped inversion. Just accumulating. Looks like we want to come take out this high. Might want to come tap into this unfilled hourly. Okay, should have been break even. Hold on, that hit my break even point. We are SMT'd at this low. 3-minute inversion. Are kind of just choppy though. There we go. Yeah, so 3-minute inversion, SMT into low, delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap. Just targeting this minor buy side liquidity. Guess I could have held up to here, but could have gotten caught in a lot of chop. Swept out this high inside of this hourly. Delivering lower, got this hourly for value gap that we just inversed, 4 hour that we just inversed. Let's see, still have this unfilled. I'd like to see this low come get taken. ES tapped into the unfilled 5-minute. I do like this. We have a very quick break even point as well. Perfect. Great break even execution there. Delivering from the 15-minute off open. Or 5-minute, I mean, sorry. Delivering from the 5-minute off open. SMT with the ES at these highs. Just a clean little 1-minute inversion with great displacement down here. Quick break even point at this low. And we're just targeting this hourly low. This low inside of this hourly for value gap. Drawing towards new week opening gap. Looks like we're pushing down towards new week opening gap. We're inside of the new week opening gap. I can see this locum get taken out. Delivering from a 15-minute. Do have a bunch of 5-minute unfilleds above. I'd like to see price come tap into off open. Nice. Ooh, and we got the 30-second fill with a 930 wick below. Oh, I really do like this. Perfect. Beautiful 30-second inversion, delivering off this 15-minute fair value gap. False move off open. 30-second inversion, targeting this 930 wick. And you probably could have held for a new week opening gap to be filled. Yeah, could have held for a new week opening gap to be filled, but I got my piece. Filled new week opening gap. Might want to come trend down to this new day open. Delivering off this hourly. Did just inverse this 15 minute to the upside. We did sweep out these lows. Did deliver into that 5-minute. This 3-minute does look great. Three-minute does look really good. Phew, that hurts right there. I mean, realistically, I probably should have put my stop like up higher, like above this 1-minute distribution candle right here. I'm giving myself a mulligan because in the live markets I would not have been that reckless. There's no way I would have entered in with my stop just above this high, realizing that we had this whole distribution leg down on the 1 minute. So I'm giving myself a mulligan, but I do need to keep in mind that I need to stop trying to execute like this, and I just need to put my stops in a realistic place because this isn't a good habit of being able to go back and, you know, at this point I go break even. You could have held this unfilled daily gap. Alright, now we've swept out all this liquidity. I mean, we could want to get a pullback, to be honest. Because, like, we have taken out all these lows. Kind of just accumulating. But we do have we have equal highs above that I want to see price come to. Death candles. One minute inversion. I could target this 5 minutes. A little mech model. Use those equal highs as a magnet to get up there. This isn't obvious though, like alright, at this point I'll just go break even. Bank. Little mech model. The highest time frame was the 2 minute, or the 1 minute I mean, I'm sorry. We left an unfilled 5 minute. There's not too many draws in liquidity lower. We're already inside of a 4-hour unfilled. And yeah, I just wanted to see us come back up into this 5 minute and rebalance the leg. This distribution actually looks good as well. Right, still reacting inside of this 15 minute. Still delivering from this 5 minute. Unfilled 5 minute below. Two-minute inversion. SMT'd as well. Whoa, I'm in a long. It's not what I meant to do. Let's take this for a 1-to-1. Bang, 1-to-1. Solid. SMT at that high, 2-minute inversion, just targeting for a 1-to-1. We had these unfilled 5 minutes below. Let's see if we just keep displacing through these. Now we push up higher. And just accumulate. I kind of just expect us to stay bullish, to be honest. We are inside this giant daily range though. But I kind of expect us to keep pushing higher. This is a protected low. I don't really have a clear. Not a very clear direction on where price wants to go here. False move off open, 1 minute. Delivering out of this 5 minute still. Unfilled 15-minute above. Still are inside of this hourly though. Good momentum. We already swept out all these highs. We are SMT'd now. I don't really want to take this. I will take this 30-second though. Targeting this 930 wick. This stop loss position isn't great. If this wins, I'll whatever. I'll go back though, and I'll change my stop if it loses, because I do want my stop to be right around here. But we do have this 930 wick, so Check out the 930 wick. All this trendline liquidity though. I will go break even at this 930 wick. Break even. Tap into this unfilled 15-minute. We're delivering in this 5-minute though. I do like this little 1-minute inversion, targeting data highs. Oh man, we're gonna get stopped out here. Could have realized. What did I miss here? I mean, obviously we're still in a bearish profile, bearish market structure. Probably coming towards these lows. I actually do really like this low. As a draw on liquidity. Yeah, this draw on liquidity was great. Tough loss. Can't just target every data high and low. Some of them just don't matter as much as the other ones. Clearly trending bearish. Looks like we want to come take out this low. We are very overextended though. Retracing up into this 15-minute. as well as into this hourly. Not much I see. Obviously trending towards this low. Delivering from a 15-minute. Sweep out this high into this hourly. I do like this. Right, full TP at this hourly low. Just go very quick break even here. I mean, this is already break even. I like how I can't even do a single thing. Bro, my FX replay is bugging. What is going on? What is going on? What in the world is going on? Yeah, I mean, this is already break even, pretty much. Yeah. I mean, I knew I was shorting into a bunch of unfilled fair value gaps, but Well, would have played out after a long time. I mean, I just wanted us to flush though. I like us continuing bears into this low. We are delivering out of this hourly. We are delivering out of that 15-minute as well. .30 could have been nice. Still just waiting for a 5-minute retracement. Yo! Yo, what's up? Come in.
What's your email? Your UARC email?
CE043@uark.edu.
Like just E?
Yeah.
CE.
043@uark.edu. What was up?
I gotta put it in for the dice travel information. We got Hogs Abroad due in 2 days.
Hogs abroad? I thought I already did all that.
It's like 13 steps.
Yeah, I did that.
Dice. Yeah, you just have to put in emails.
Did I? I don't remember having to put in y'all's. Maybe I
Uh,
didn't do the right thing.
we have to put in all the legs of our traveling, and so
Maybe I didn't do the right thing.
you just might not have put all the legs.
Yeah, I don't remember having to do that.
Because we have to put who we're traveling with and like their email and shit like that.
Alright, I'll open it up in a little bit. I gotta
Just look
relook
for
at
Hogs
it.
Abroad
Cause
due.
I don't remember doing that
It
at
might
all.
be good.
I'll look, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Wait, CE043 or
Yeah, you want me to text it to you?
yeah, just text it to me, please.
Alright, I got you.
Thank you.
This looks real good. Bro, 100-point stop is just insane though. Yeah, that was terrible. I just couldn't do a 100-point stop. Delivering off this new week opening yet. Just inverse this 15-minute. Still inside of this hourly. I like this high. This looks good. I do like us coming up all the way to this leg and rebouncing the whole thing. Scale off at this 15-minute. Oh, I didn't. I'm an idiot. I think that this is the 15-minute. Oh, shoot. Yeah, scale off. Try my stop. Not yet, actually. Dude, honestly, could let this rip until new week opening gap fill. This would be insane. Scale off more here. Try my stop. Wow. 1 to 5. That was incredible. All off this 1-minute inversion right here with great distribution. I just thought we were going to rebalance the whole leg. That was absolutely incredible. Might have to end it off there. Yeah, I think I'm going to end it off there. Up 33% on 100 trades. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. So I'll see you guys later. Be back for tomorrow for another trade recap if I take something or a market review.